I get asked this question a lot at work when customers are trying on boots. What do I do with my jeans and my boots? Do I tuck my jeans into my boots? Do I roll my jeans up? Do I show my ankle? Is it wrong to show my socks? I do think that part of this does come down to our own personal preferences. However, what I'm going to show you today is what I have picked up over my 10 years of modeling and all the little tips that stylists would do to style jeans with boots. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my personal do's and don'ts for styling boots with jeans. And at the end, I will include an easy hack that you can do to appear taller when wearing boots with jeans. For this video, I'll be using 4 different pairs of ankle boots and 4 different colors and styles of jeans. Before we begin, if you are new here, my name is Emily and I would love it if you would consider subscribing because I am so pumped with what is to come on this channel and I think you will really enjoy where we're headed as well. Alright, so let's get into the do's and don'ts of how to wear boots with jeans. So we're going to start off simple with skinny jeans and ankle boots. For me personally, I think it's really nice to show off a small amount of ankle, around 1 to 1.5 centimeters. So these jeans cut off at the perfect length for me. However, we know that's not always the case when we buy new jeans. So if your jeans are too long, you have 2 options. Obviously, you can have them shortened, or if you want to keep them long so they're a bit more versatile, you can fold them up. If I need to fold my jeans, I personally prefer to do 2 thin folds like this. Bear in mind, these jeans are not long enough for me to fold. I'm just showing you as an example. Otherwise, the other option you have is to do 1 large fold like this. But I really don't warm to this look with skinny jeans. I prefer this look with straight leg jeans, and I'll show you more of that in just a moment. Here we have a different color boot with the same outfit. I've folded up the jeans in 2 folds again. Now, when it comes to tucking jeans into ankle boots, I personally do not love the look of a tuck. And I don't see this look styled on a lot of fashion conscious people either. However, there are 2 small exceptions to this for me. The first is that I think skinny jeans can be tucked into combat boots. And the second is that skinny jeans can be tucked into boots of the same color. I will show you an example of this towards the end of the video and explain why it works. So next up, I'm putting on some straight leg blue denim. As you can see, these jeans finish off hitting my brown boots, which isn't a great look. I wouldn't tuck them in because the jeans and boots are different colors and the jeans are not skinny, so the fabric would look really messy if I tried to tuck it in. I've decided to roll them up again in 2 thin rolls, leaving a small amount of room showing my ankles. I think this outfit would look way better with a lighter color top as well. The other way you can fold straight leg jeans is in 1 large cuff. I think this looks really good in this particular style outfit. I also think this looks really good with wide leg jeans and ankle boots, or even double cuffed a bit thicker like this. It all really does depend on your jean length and your preference. But styling like this can be a great option for those in colder climates because you can sneak in 3 pairs of socks and some thermals and keep your ankles warm and no one would know. Okay, now we have some new jeans and new boots. I love the look of frayed jeans with ankle boots. Honestly, I wish my jeans were slightly longer, but it's seriously the hardest task trying to find jeans long enough for me, and these ones have been the closest that I can get. I'm 5'9" and these are the Levi 501s. If your legs are slightly shorter than mine, then the frays might sit slightly on top of the boots. And that look is actually really in at the moment. There are a lot of variations of wide or straight leg jeans hanging over boots. This is a look that I absolutely love, but I personally do struggle to achieve this look because so many jeans crop on me. But as you can see with these examples, it can look really cool. And like I said before, it's a great option for when the weather is really cold. Now, I wanted to show you an example of when I wouldn't hang jeans over boots. And that is this look here. The reason is because these boots are not tight to the ankle, so they would be very noticeable through the jeans when I walk around. I would either need a wider jean or a tighter ankled boot, maybe like these black ones. So these white jeans are super short on me. I don't often wear them with boots because of their length. See, look at that ankle gap, it is way too big. But what I could do is just wear a boot that goes higher up my ankle, like these taller black boots. Problem solved. Before we finish up, we are coming back round to the black skinny jeans. At the beginning, I said I would talk more about jean tucking, and I promised a hack for looking taller. So my general rule for tucking in is that only skinny jeans should be tucked so there is no excess fabric looking messy. And the jeans and the ankle boots should be the same colour. This can be easily achieved with black jeans and black boots. Wearing the same colour trousers and boots without a gap at the ankle can trick the eye and elongate your legs. This doesn't just have to be done with jeans. This can be done with other trousers as well. So here are some great examples. This girl is wearing black jeans, black boots, as well as a black t-shirt which emphasizes length even more as the eyeline is drawn from her neck all the way down to her toes. This girl is wearing crop trousers over high ankle boots, as well as a high waist, which gives her even more height. This girl has tucked her skinny jeans into her ankle boots, and they are the exact same color. So at a quick glance, you can't tell where her legs end and where her feet start. Here is another example. The pointed toes on the boots emphasize height even more again. And this girl is another example of high-waisted pants tucked into ankle boots, which therefore lengthens her legs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do hit the like button and comment. It really does help to spread my video to more people so I can continue to get the message out to people that we don't need to be buying so many new things and that we can style all the clothes that we have in our wardrobes in so many different ways. So thank you so much again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.